Hello and welcome to Stafford Land Rover. My name's Charlotte and today I'm going to show you around this lovely Defender D200 S 110 in Indus Silver. This car's previously had one owner. It's next due for a service in January 2024 and has done 5,037 miles. As it's part of our approved use, you get a minimum 12 months warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So I'm going to give you a 360 tour around the vehicle and then I'll get inside and show you all the technology it has to offer. So you have LED headlights with daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 19-inch sparkle silver finish alloys. Going into the back of the vehicle, you have enough space there for 3 passengers, along with a centre armrest for maximum comfort and rear sockets, which is ideal for longer journeys. Going round and in towards your boot. As you can see, you've got plenty of space there for personal items, and you can also put the seats down if you do need extra room, along with an electrically deployable tow bar which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you also have keyless entry. Going into the driver's side, you have part electric front seats, a leather steering wheel, part leather front seats and a jump seat which is great for an extra passenger, but it can also fold down to be an armrest. So that is the end of your 360 tour. I'm now going to get inside and show you the technology. On your right you have electric windows along with electrically folding wing mirrors, which is really helpful if you're in a tight space. Controls on your wheel including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, which is practical for longer journeys. Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go, and voice control. You have an interactive driver display where you can view and change your display, view your vehicle, media and trip. In the middle you have a touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with other functions including a rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, especially if you're not used to the size of the car. Heated front seats, which are definitely a luxury in winter. You also have valet mode, enabling you to lock the screen so that a valeter can only access your climate control, keeping things like your address safer. And you can control your tow bar from inside the car, which saves you even having to get out. Down here you have a 2-zone climate control, allowing both passengers in the front to set their own temperature, along with air suspension. Stepping back outside the car, thank you for watching this video on this lovely Defender D200 S 110 in Indus Silver, which is part of our approved used. We offer many different finance packages, so if you would like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please just call 01785 899 446. Thank you.